Hello and welcome to the channel. Welcome to another garden update. Because lilies are not yet flowering, let's see what else is flowering. This is Primula sieboldii and it's a pink double form. I don't remember the name, but I have it somewhere written up. And I have the beautiful Convallaria leaf cultivars, which have different variegations, and they are also starting to bloom. Oh, and another weed. How can I miss this? So this is Primula, Convallaria keiskei, a Japanese cultivar. This is a yellow-leafed Convallaria, and you can see the flower on it. And this is another yellow-leafed cultivar. My very favorite is the acuminata, and I have a couple of blasted buds of prolificans, but I also have the pinks in flower, and I have these interesting leaf forms, purple colored leaf forms of Polygonatum multiflorum. I was able to finish planting the lilies. You can see that I've run out of space. And Dodecatheon media always flowering, and the other Dodecatheon cultivars. And I have my first Dodecatheon from seed in flower. And the lovely Tulipa acuminata is in flower. This is a virus infected plant, so if you have this in your garden, you have a virus in your garden. The lilies are coming up nicely. The pulmonarias are still in bloom, and as you can see, I have the irrigation system up and running because it's dry. I have the Zantedeschia aethiopica green goddess in flower, and this is another bud. And this one is Zantedeschia aethiopica Pink Flamingo, flowering nicely. As you can see, some lilies are getting really tall, and I really hope we're not going to have more frost. So these are about 60 centimeters high or 2 feet. Some are still sleeping. Some just started to come up. And I have a couple of nice ones here. And what I've noticed is that there's already a fasciation in some seedlings, but this is not a constant issue, it comes and goes. So next year they will sprout normal. Fritillaria imperialis is now finished flowering, and Tulipa Rembrandt Insulinde is in flower. This is a Rembrandt tulip. It's infected with Rembrandt tulip breaking virus, so that's why it has color breaking on it. And this is the finished, one of the finished raised beds. And the last daffodils now in bloom. So this one is Minnowlet. This is a split corona type, and this one is Petrel, Triandrus Petrel. It's also a nice one. And the seeds of different Galanthus LVZ hybrids are aborting, so they were not pollinated with compatible pollen. So I'm finishing up. Thank you for your attention. See you next time. Bye bye.